Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering the Bpl TV and confirming a stable network. This matters because streaming needs steady bandwidth. Once done, use the remote to open the home screen. If you have a USB mouse, plug it into speed navigation. Make sure the TV firmware is current. Older firmware can hide apps. Next, switch to the Smart TV interface and locate the apps or store area so you can search for YouTube. This gets you ready for the app install step. You now search the Smart TV store for YouTube. Type the name exactly to avoid similar apps. Once visible, select Install. If the app shows Update, choose that to avoid playback bugs. Allow the requested permissions so the app can store temporary files and use the network. Without them, playback or sign in may fail. Make sure the installation completes, then open YouTube from the apps list. This step prepares the app to load your home screen and sign in options. You launch YouTube and either sign in or continue as guest. Signing in syncs subscriptions and history. If you want account access, pick Sign in and follow the on-screen pair code method. Enter the code at YouTube.com/activate from your phone or PC. Once signed in, search and play a video. Make sure video quality matches your bandwidth, for example 720p or 1080p on a 16:9 screen. If playback stalls, restart the app and check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.